Sa gunting mo, ma, sa itlog. Ma?
He's naughty. Who's naughty? Who's naughty, guys?
Pananuti ba?
And yeah, I will. After this live. I was afraid this time. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of burden from within. I just keep believing in my heart. Extend. Look, my son is busy. Oh, uy, ora good, Mac. Ayaw ko din may pagpakita.
Sumbag? Kita support sumbag.
I was afraid this time. No, it's really nice, really nice.
Sa una chika, sa mabili rin ko
You
yun.
send so much energy.
Uy, alas 9 na!
Prohibited, with my own volcano staying prohibited, with my own volcano staying under alert level 3. The Davao City Police Office, or DCPO, is intensifying its security measures for the upcoming Chinese New Year celebration on February 16, with 100 police
You have
personnel
more
set for
energy.
to ensure peace and order. The main celebration, which also featured the official lighting of the newly opened Bukana Bridge along the Davao City Coastal Road, is expected to draw a large crowd. DCPO assures readiness with a soft deployment of personnel, which is set to begin on February 14. The police aim to guarantee a successful and peaceful celebration for all attendees, including the Filipino-Chinese community. In line with this, the DCPO is also strictly enforcing the city's firecracker ban, prohibiting the manufacture, sale, and use of all fireworks throughout Davao City.
It's hot here. It's cold here. We don't use electric fan and everything. We are, what you call that? We can save current electric bills, but when it's hot, we need to use aircon, electric fan. I always use electric fan because I don't have much money to pay electric bill.
And the first time, the specific AI adaptive sensing device has been used in the entire Philippines. The first patient is a 39-year-old from South Cotabato who was working as a nurse in Dubai. He had been wheelchair bound and in severe pain
Yeah,
due to
video
an
on the
advanced rare genetic condition. The 6 to 8 hour operation aims to control
No,
his
it's
functional
not. At that time only it's raining, but now the rain stopped. Because when it's in its what's it called this? At 1 p.m. So much hot, and then when in 3 p.m. it starts with the cloudy and dark on the, and then suddenly it falls on the 3:30 p.m. and then until 5 o'clock and then stop.
Except these days, ground scad or galunggong is far
Once
from
a
being
work,
used
yeah,
for
because it's
our unit has its latest consumer
I have fun in my head and I have fun at my back. It really helps because my room is closed. Yes.